Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today
lovelies.
we have another unboxing, just a little box, but it's quite a special box. It's something that Lousje doesn't know about yet, so I can't wait. I think I'm going to blindfold her and make her close her eyes before I hand her each piece. But I just wanted to touch on our videos. We send out our videos Monday to Friday in our newsletter. So you can subscribe to that on our website. And then we also post it on Instagram and on Facebook and on our YouTube channel. And we've stopped sending out a newsletter on Saturday and Sundays, which was Saturdays are out and about, and then Sundays was our flat lays, which is quite fun with me and Lousje in an outfit, and you can just see it in different ways. But we are still posting those on social media. So if you miss those Saturday and Sunday emails, please check our Instagram or our Facebook, and you'll be able to see those there. Our out and abouts are quite fun. Lousje does many more than me because her and Glenn are stomping the town all the time. And you'll have to look out for that, but those will be posted on our social media. So we have in here a beautiful scarf line from Kemi.
Oh.
Yes, so
we
funny.
We used to carry Kemi. I love that line.
Yeah, actually last season she has a different rep carrying her line, and at the show we did an order. And our order got misplaced, so we didn't get any. So this time I went to her at the buying show, and it's kind of a funny story. That's why with Lousje, I'm going to blindfold her right now. But so we're at the show, me and Lousje. She loves to come, but she gets a little tired. And so we went and had a bit of lunch, and then she said, you know what, you go finish the show, and I'm just going to sit here and
that's when you did it.
People watch, and she just sits on her perch, and she no, just joking. So well deserved, so well deserved. But anyway, so while she was sitting and enjoying, I was motoring through the show. And I bought these scarves, and I think she is gonna lose it because they are so beautiful. As you know, we are scarf. Oh my goodness, it's our favorite accessory.
I can't. My scarf wall is filled. You saw it the other day.
It is. I really have to take a picture and show you, ladies. It's our favorite accessory,
but
and
there's always exceptions.
Yeah.
Today might be the day.
Today might be the day.
Okay.
There's always exceptions. Okay, so let's go to it.
I won't jump.
Okay, well, first of all, the fabric.
Oh my!
Look at this.
Tessa.
It is to die for.
Oh,
50% cotton and 50% modal.
Oh, this is fabulous for the summer.
Digital prints, yeah, made in India. They're so beautiful.
Oh man, this is
right,
gorgeous.
Charlie?
Wow.
So I'm just going to show you a few of my favorites. Look at this. No, you don't even want that one yet. Like, there's so many, Mom, that you are gonna like lose it. Look at those soft colors.
Tessa.
I was taking photographs of them today, and honestly, they're to
when
die
you wear
for.
this look. Oh, this color.
So nice and light.
Oh, fantastic.
So this, I believe, is linen. 70% linen, 30% cotton. Look at. I knew she was gonna die.
Gorgeousness.
It gets even better.
Tessa.
I know. It's
this with
stunning.
jeans or white linen dress.
I know. And even for traveling ladies to wear as a little cover, it's so beautiful. And it's just gonna get softer and softer as you wear it.
Oh, I absolutely love it.
Look at.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Look at those colors. Look at the fuchsia in there. And then the cobalt blue.
Oh, you know what is nice? What is nice too? I've always liked your size for the summer.
Yeah, it's a nice
not
size.
huge, right?
Yeah,
but it's substantial.
Yeah.
Look at Charlie. Charlie, where are you?
He's the scarf man. We have pictures from James Street whenever we would get our scarf order in, he would go and lay on them when we were counting them.
Right.
We should dig up those pictures. Look at this.
Oh, Tessa.
For you ladies that love green.
And the orange.
And the orange, the pop of orange.
Oh. Wow, you outdid yourself. Okay.
So
that is so nice.
Stunning.
Oh, I love that.
I know. Love.
Egg blue.
Look at that. It's so stunning. So stunning.
Oh my God. This is 100% linen?
I think so. Yeah, these are linen. So I got 3 colors in those, which I thought have your 2 favorite colors in the summer. pink and of course white.
Oh my god.
These are stunning,
Oh.
stunning. And then there's I got a few
Oh,
colors
how-
in the organza.
How beautiful.
I know.
For if you have a wedding to
I
go
know.
to or
Isn't that
something
stunning?
very special.
Just a nice little.
Oh, I absolutely love it.
I know. So we did that in black and in the cream as
Oh,
well.
you brought so well.
Look how beautiful.
Oh,
I
absolutely.
know. Well, you were
love it.
sitting, people watching.
Sipping cappuccinos. Oh,
Okay, this is my favorite. First of all, the colors and the feel. It's the modal and cotton again, but look at those colors. Isn't that amazing?
Oh my god, I love it.
I know.
And the soft gray background.
I feel like I have to put it on right now.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So I'm wearing my Love's Pure Light red shoes, which is my fave. Here we go. Look at how beautiful.
Oh, Tessa.
I know. I know. So we have a few more here.
Wow.
Cotton modal. Look at this.
Oh, Tessa.
I had it like.
Oh man, this is gorgeous.
Doesn't that feel amazing?
Oh.
And look at this.
Ah. Oh yeah.
They're so pretty. Like imagine on our vacation and just have it wrapped over a black dress, wrapped up. Another sort of Aztec, black and white, classic black and white.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Absolutely. Oh, this is.
I know.
Wow.
So like mine, but then in this.
In the blue.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at the colors.
Oh.
Stunning.
Stunning.
So these will be online now, ladies. You can have a peek at those. And we also wanted to just talk about our outfits for a moment because it is a work day today, and we just got the box in, and we thought we would show you, but. We do wear this stuff every day. We wear everything in the boutique every day.
Always.
Always. Look at us loaded up.
Yeah.
I mean, people sell things, but do they
No,
love
that's
them
true,
as much
that's
as we
true.
do?
Oh
I mean,
my gosh,
we have such a passion for this.
Yeah.
And this is our wardrobe. We started doing it because people would ask us to recreate what we made for ourselves.
It started already when you were a baby.
What? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I made everything for her and your brothers.
Yeah.
And they always said, can you please make that for my daughter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, I love this. You should get it.
So we
I'm
Lousje,
what are you wearing?
You go ahead.
I'm wearing the Inge, and this is a dress from Catharines that we had in 3 colors.
Yeah, we're actually getting them back next year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they were in the
that's
next
right.
collection.
Yeah.
Beautiful new colors.
So it's nice. It's
Yeah.
long and it's nice. It's a little, it's very chilly today, and I'm wearing a wrap because I'm cold. And you are wearing
cut loose, the boxy sweater that we love. I have it tucked into my Griza skirt that we had last winter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go with my blunt stones,
Nice.
which I love.
Yeah.
With the little heel, I think it just gives it that feminine touch. I have 3 colors of these. And I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to buy the black suede. They look amazing. I have the black leather, but I don't love them. They're a little worn out now. And then these in the brown.
Yeah.
Boot shop. I get all of my Blundstones at the
Yeah,
boot
they've
shop.
got an amazing selection actually, right?
Yeah, Blundstones at the
For
Penn
men,
Center. They
too.
have like a
Yeah.
ton. Yeah. So there you go, ladies.
Okay.
We have the Kemi Scarves in the boutique now. So beautiful, nice and light for the summer. A nice other option than our beloved Love's Pure Lights.
Just a different feel, different size.
Yeah.
Different everything. You cannot have enough scarves.
Scarves, no.
Okay,
All right,
lovelies.
enjoy your day. Thank
Keep on
you.
smiling.